Coronavirus. Are you going to remember this in 2020? It kind of charged through the world like a bull. Now here's what I want to have happen with you. You don't have any problem with the coronavirus. So what is your reaction to coronavirus? It can kind of take two extremes here. Here's one extreme. That's one extreme. Here's the other extreme. And maybe you can end somewhere in the middle. But COVID-19 should be a wake-up call for America because of our health problems. Early on, I gave a little video on Tom Hanks being at risk for complications because of the coronavirus, and we know that he has diabetes and that he's overweight and he probably has some other health issues. So studies clear back from Italy show that 99% of the people that ended up with problems had other complicating medical problems. And a lot of them had more than one. Now, blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease were three that were listed early, but here is new research out in America. What puts you at risk for ending up in the hospital and having problems? Well, asthma does. It increases your risk 1.5%. So can asthma be helped? Absolutely. In 1992, my wife and I adopted 4 children from Costa Rica. All of them had asthma, all of them had medications and inhalers, and within a month, they were no longer needing them. There are things you can do to turn this around. Hypertension, 3 times more risk if you have high blood pressure. Well, Denny did and was on medication for years, but it was gone with the 7 Systems plan. Obesity, and they say more than a 30 body mass index. Others say even a 29 or greater body mass index puts you at risk. Now this is Amy. She started the plan in January and just hit 100 pounds off this last week. By the way, a new study on weight, women who carry a little extra weight live longer than men who mention it. Diabetes also triples your risk. Mike was diabetic, and in 60 days his diabetes was gone. Your diabetes is something you don't have to live with. Fourth one is kidney disease. Now Sheila had kidney disease. It was one of the problems that ended her up in a coma in the hospital. But her kidney function came completely back to normal with the 7 Systems plan. Severe obesity, and now your body mass index is greater than 40 and you've got a 4.5 times risk of having problems. And Dustin and Sarah, they started our program 12 weeks ago and have already knocked off 100 pounds and are doing great. And there's Dustin carrying 100 pounds of dog food to illustrate what that's like. And 2 conditions or more, we're at 4.5 times the risk. Kevin was in that category and got out of it. The last one, 3 or more conditions. Obviously, the more of these problems you have, the greater your risk. We're up to 5 times the risk of ending up in a hospital and having complications. Wayne was in that category. 6 months later, he has tremendously improved his health, gotten off his medications, and here's what he said when he graduated from the 7 Systems plan: I feel 30 years younger. And you can too. I want you to eliminate underlying medical conditions, use the 7 Systems plan, and the 7 Systems plan is available at our office, Tri-State Physicians and Physical Therapy Clinic. Just give us a call to attend a free meeting. If you're not in the area, see 7systemsplan.com for our online course.